angels, this is Sushmita, and if you happen to come across my channel for the very first time, then let me tell you that I make videos on hair care and beauty, and some of you have been commenting under my videos that my skin looks much more bright and even toned as compared to what it appeared earlier. And currently I'm not wearing any makeup, no foundation, no primer, no base, and I don't even have any filters on right now on my face. A few months back my skin looked like this. It was very dull and had quite a few blemishes and dark spots. Sometimes back I started using vitamin C in my skincare routine, and I honestly feel that it has made so much difference. I think most of us already know what vitamin C does to the skin. It brings about an instant glow, it reduces signs of early aging, and it also controls blemishes and dark spots. But what most of us don't know is how to use vitamin C correctly and effectively on the skin to get its maximum benefits. So guys, the best way to include this wonderful vitamin into your skincare routine is through a serum, and I'll tell you why. Unlike most other products, serums are highly concentrated with their key ingredients, so serums basically pack a punch. Modern day serums are formulated in such a way that they get absorbed quickly and work on skin concerns. So my angels, if your primary skin problems include dullness, blemishes, dark spots and early signs of aging, then you already know what you're missing in your skincare routine, don't you? And to tell you a secret, for the last few months I've been using the Garnier Bright Complete 30x Vitamin C Booster Serum.
The fact that it has 30 times vitamin C makes it the one with the highest concentration of vitamin C among all serums in this category. Being an active ingredient, vitamin C helps reveal a bright, spotless skin. And to show you how effectively does it work on dark spots and dullness, let's quickly do a fun experiment. So here I have a diluted solution of iodine, and to this let's add a few drops of Garnier Bright Complete Vitamin C Serum. Give it a little stir and see how the dark solution turned white. This represents the neutralization of its oxidative action. You can also try this experiment at home to check the results for yourself.
This one is so powerful that you will start noticing positive results in the first 3 days of using it. And after 7 days, dullness and dark spots will begin reducing considerably. You just need to be consistent and continue using it till a bright, glowing and blemish-free skin comes through.
The packaging is so simple and cute. The dropper is functional and convenient. In fact, it helps with better application, controls wastage, and is super hygienic. Guys, you really have to look at this beautiful lightweight formula. It is absolutely non-sticky, gets absorbed quickly, leaving a subtle dash of brightness behind. Being high on vitamin C concentration, it actively works on reducing sun damage and uneven skin tone as well.
But by being highly concentrated, it does not mean that it is too strong or not safe for certain skin types. In fact, Japanese Yuzu lemon is a key ingredient here, and this serum is 100% dermatologically tested. Garnier anyway is a reputed brand that commits to green beauty, which means no paraben, no sulfate, no animal testing, and more consciously sourced ingredients for formulating products, which means this is 100% safe and effective for all skin types, all skin textures, tones and all age groups. Now let's take a look at how to use it for best and visible results.
In the morning, after you have washed your face, just apply a few drops before your moisturizer and your sunscreen. It spreads nicely and get absorbed instantly. Did you know that when layered with vitamin C, your sunscreen works better in fighting sun damage and dark spots that are caused by UV rays?
At night, use it just before your night cream or sleeping mask. Of course, after cleansing your face thoroughly of all the makeup and dirt. Vitamin C serums are very versatile in nature and can be layered with so many other everyday products that you use, be it your moisturizer, your sunscreen, your sleeping mask, your essence or your night creams, whatever. However, using two active serums together should be avoided. So on the screen I'm just going to mention a layering guide to vitamin C serum, all the serums that you can pair your vitamin C with, and other serums that you should totally avoid.
The Garnier Bright Complete 30x Vitamin C Serum is available in 4 sizes. The largest pack is of 50 ml, priced at Rs 875. So you get 65% more vitamin C for lesser price. 30 ml is available for Rs 619. 15 ml and 7 ml are priced at Rs 249 and 129 respectively.
So why settle for any other serum when you can get your hands on the most effective and highly concentrated of all vitamin C serums. It works for all skin types and age groups. The buying links are given down in the description box, so do check it out. So my angels, I really hope that you enjoyed today's video. Do include vitamin C serum in your everyday skincare routine and you would love the results. Just in a matter of few days, you would see visible results on your skin. And do let me know in the comments how did it work for you. And I'll see you all very soon. Till then, bye and take care.